Good morning, happy Saturday. Why do I sound like a news reporter? We are headed out for the day. Riley already went and played basketball at 6:30 this morning and woke us up. So Duke and I have been awake watching Food Network in our bed. It's 10:45, we are ready, starving, and we're gonna go to Taco Bell for breakfast, because that seems like, oh, it is so bright. Not on me, but that seems like a normal food choice for breakfast. Riley actually will eat the breakfast I don't like. Then we are gonna go to the campus bookstore and get both of us a t-shirt, and we're gonna go to the homecoming game today, which will be exciting. And we're gonna vlog the game, we're gonna go to a tailgate that's kind of like with Riley's work. It's just gonna be super fun. So I'm gonna change, Riley's probably gonna change. Hopefully we can find him a shirt that he actually likes and wants to spend money on. But that's kind of the plan for this morning. So we'll see you at Taco Bell and the bookstore and all the places in between.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, what can I get started for you today?
Copyright. Okay, gotta do the check, cause Lord knows. 1, 2, 3. I don't think they give you yours.
Check.
It's always my food that ends up being wrong, and like, I hate that. Okay, I wasn't gonna vlog this part because I was literally fuming, like. So this was my Baja Blast, and I went inside to get my soft shell tacos turned to hard shell tacos, because that's what I like and that's what I ordered. And I came back and there was drink left to like this little line right here, like mixed in with the ice. And I was like, are you kidding me? And Riley felt bad, but he like wasn't showing it, and I was mad, but I was like, I'm not mad at you, I'm just sad I don't have drinks. Anyways, it was a long 15-minute drive to the school because I didn't want to drink it because I was so sad that it was gone. But there's a Taco Bell right by the school. And Riley pulled into the parking lot, and I was like, no, I'm fine. I was just being a brat. Like, I don't need a drink. Don't get it. And he's like, no, I want to get it. I felt super bad when I drank it. I like realized that I had drank it all gone basically, and he doesn't normally like Baja Blast, which is why it's like funny and kind of crazy. So we go to the Taco Bell by the school and order a large Baja Blast. Hold on. That one's like very juicy potent though. Don't you think? Of course you do. So we get through the drive-thru and he gives us the drink, and he's like, happy free refreshment day. We were like, are you, like Riley had cash on, he's like, are you sure? And he's like, yeah, bye. And we were like, thank you. So all is okay. Oh, also they let us keep our soft shell tacos at the other one. So now we have 2 free soft shell tacos. And I got a coupon because they felt bad that they messed it up, which I never go in mean. I'm always like, I'm sorry, I must have said something wrong. Or I'm like, I ordered these and it's supposed to be that. I'm sorry. But we got a free drink, 2 free soft shell tacos, and a coupon for a free taco. Taco Bell is really my jam. We're very happy. Okay, we're gonna go get some shirts now.
When did you change your shirt?
Just now.
Oh.
Put yours on.
Man.
Got some banners for free.
Oh no, it's like 50 bucks.
I know.
That looks Russian.
Russian. I can't.
Like this. Nope, you just turned it upside down.
Oh.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, sorry, it was. That's fine. So we're gonna go get my ticket because Riley obviously gets like this free student one. And then I'll show you guys the tailgate. So far it looks pretty cool, parts of it. I mean, for here. Everyone watching this is gonna be like, that sucks. Yeah. There's some bounce houses, there's a shooting bounce houses, there's a dunk bounce house. People are setting up, it's only 11:45, but still. It's better than I expected, especially for where we live. We're playing the Bengals versus, I know, we're the Bengals versus North Arizona University. So we will see. I feel like we parked in a really bad spot because we're not close to the exit, but we're not close to the, like we're kind of in the middle.
Did you see that dog?
Oh my gosh, it looked like Scooby-Doo. Okay, anyways, I'll show you guys once we get out there. Twirl like one of my French girls. He hurt his finger. Okay, go play some basketball. Start making them. Went away.
Build the repetition and muscle memory, because that's all it is.
No. We're just waiting for the raffle to start. There's some awesome prizes.
That's what we're doing right.
What video of you going in?
I'm gonna talk really quick. We just got done with the tailgate. Had crazy prizes, like 2 Apple Watches, a TV, a sound bar, Beats pills, like tons of stuff. So now we're gonna go get Riley's student ticket and go in. Sorry, you totally can't see me. Or I can't see myself. Died that way.
Benson with the return. It's stopped by the Bengals at the 15-yard line. First and 10, Lumberjacks.
It's 4:15-ish now. It's halftime. We decided to leave. They are actually playing so good. They got a couple lucky fumbles from the other team right near the end zone, so they were able to score a touchdown, and twice actually that happened. But they're doing really good. They're up by like 2 touchdowns, so we decided to leave just because we're tired, and it was kind of hot in there because it's an indoor one. But we loved it. We loved it. We had fun. We got our Bengal shirts. We got we sat, oh sorry, got a foam finger. Student section obviously because Riley is a student. And we got some Bengal shirts. You're good over here. Got Bengal shirts that were like just on the chairs, which is awesome. Now we're probably gonna go home and see Duke for a little bit. And then we might, oh, that air's probably so loud for you guys. Wow.
Can't see.
Not at all. So we'll probably go see Duke for a little bit, and then we might go out to his parents' house and go golfing or something. So I won't vlog then, but I'll pick it up when we can. Okay, let's go.
Not awkward at all.
What you know about those seamless transitions from 4:45 this afternoon to 10:30 at night? We went home, I took a little nap, woke up very hungry and grumpy. Riley took a little nap and Duke took a nap. Then we went out to his parents' house and just like hung out for a little bit. And then we realized, so we teach the 4-year-olds in church, or the 4 and 5-year-olds, and I told them I was gonna make a poster board and we have to kind of prepare our lesson, and obviously we haven't done that yet, so it's 10 o'clock at night, 10:30. We went to Walmart, got some like dum-dums and some crayons and stuff, because we can use the stuff that our church has, but it's a little too easy for them to like access it in my bag when we're like in sharing and singing time, which probably makes no sense to anybody. But it's kind of a hassle, and it's something that can easily be avoided by spending $4 and getting our own box of crayons with like a big one with a sharpener and then a 50-cent like closable box. I know, it seems so silly, but like I need it. And got some dum-dums for them, and then, oh, I got gummy bears because I wanted gummy bears. So now we're gonna go home and put together like our poster board for like just all of our classes, like what their little like jobs for the day are, and just stuff. So I'll show you guys either tonight or tomorrow when it's done and kind of what it looks like, and then I'll just pick the vlog up tomorrow. So see you on Sunday. Hello you guys, happy Monday. I am headed right now to an eye doctor's appointment. I literally just got off the phone with them and they were like, come in today, which I was not expecting, but they sound like the best one that's around me, and my sister-in-law goes there, so I'm definitely gonna trust her and go there because I love her. So I'm gonna go in and hopefully they don't have to dilate my eyes. I mean, I don't think they can because I'm driving myself and I hate that, but let's go in. So I just filmed a 10-minute outro on my camera with great lighting, but I looked like the exact same way that I do. And I deleted it because I was like, I don't like the way that I look. I don't like this pimple. It was too long. It was too wordy, blah, blah, blah. And then I realized, you know what? This is real life. I'm sorry if you guys are wanting like put together perfect vlogs. Sometimes that's not going to be the case. My eyes hurt. I just got back from the eye doctor. They told me my prescription was too high, and so they gave me like a, not dosage, that's not even the close word, but like they gave me a lower prescription basically, so my eyes are adjusting to that, and I can still see perfectly fine, so I'm like really confused that I was wearing such high contacts, but my eyes are hurting. They feel super dry, but I want to like let my eyes adjust to them, so I'm going to take them out after I finish editing. And you know what, I just wanted to film my outro. I'm not going to talk about everything that I talked about just because I feel like that was more of a rant, and oh, hi. I needed to get my feelings out. But it didn't really have anything to do with the vlog. So we had such a fun time this weekend. The homecoming game was super fun. The tailgate was amazing. We had a lot of fun at his family's house. Saturday or Sunday night and Sunday we had a lot of fun teaching the 4 and 5-year-olds. Then we hung out with his sister, and then we just kind of took more naps, and which is not really like me. I've been napping a lot lately. It was just a lot of fun. We had a good weekend. I think we're like getting into the groove now of Riley and like school, and now his internship, and him still working part-time, and just like getting our house and our life and everything in order. So I'm ending the vlog here. I promise there will be other types of videos up the rest of this week, but I love you guys and I will see you tomorrow. Nope. I love you guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Please, I say this every time, but leave a video comment down below so I know what you guys want to see instead of me just making content. I love you and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Hi, baby. Mama love you.